Okay, so in my class, we definitely want you to keep track of your homework score. We want you to know what your homework score is and use that information to make choices. Choices like how many bonus points do I need to earn, or what am I going to get for my homework grade. And I'm not a big fan of grades in general. However, since it's something that you're concerned about and there's a lot of pressure around this area, I want to help you really take hold of this and do a great job with your homework. So again, this is a snapshot of your homework log, and let's just make up some due dates, right? So here we have one assignment a month, and you'll write those in as we go through them. I'm not sure what those dates will be yet. And then you're going to write in the points you've earned for that assignment. So as I walk around the room, right, and eventually I'll reach you at your desk. This could be you. And I've talked to a lot of students when I'm walking around and to check a lot of homework. So it's really important that when I'm with you at your table, that your homework is clear and the answers are circled and I can read your work and see how you did it. Please don't just show an answer. I want to have a conversation. So when I reach you, show me that homework. We'll talk about it, see how it went. And if you show your work, circle your answers, you get a 2. Full score. And everything should be right. Again, the reason we know everything, the reason I can ask for everything to be correct is because every time I assign a homework, I'm also giving you the answer. So it's really important that you go check it. Just go check it and you'll know it's right. Now, I should also see that you're writing down, some number from the homework. Let's say number 10 from this one that you thought was interesting. So right away when I walk over, I can look at this sheet and say, "Oh, you want to talk about number 10. Perfect." And then we can have a conversation. This might not seem like it really matters, but to have that piece ready, to know right away that I'm going to talk to you about this question can save me a lot of time. And this is going to keep happening over and over again. Maybe you get a 1 the next time because you didn't finish an assignment. Maybe you just did number 10, right? When it says choose 1 up here, it means choose 1 set, not just 1 question. So there, maybe you had nothing you want to talk about. You can leave it blank, maybe a smiley face. And then maybe the next one, okay, full credit, you chose 1, you did all the questions, showed your work. But this time you want to talk about number 42. Who knows? And then this one, you only get a 0 really if it's really sloppy and incomplete or just not done. Let's say you get a 1 just for our sake, for the averages, because this is a video about how to calculate your score. Anyway, so over time we talk about the questions you want to discuss. Everything feels great, and this is even very useful to go back on for a quiz. But at the bottom of a homework log, and all the logs look different, you'll see something like this. And I think this will work nicely. To figure out your homework score, what you do is average your points. And then you multiply it by 50. Then you add your bonus points, and that's your homework score. So what do I mean? Well, averaging the points just means add up all the points you have and divide by the number of homeworks. So here we have 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Divided by 4 because there were 4 homeworks. Now this is 3 and that's 3. So what's that? Well, that's 6 over 4. And 6 over 4 is just 1.5. Now we have to take this number and multiply it by 50, right? And 1.5 times 50 is 75%. And that would be your homework score. But we're also going to add in bonus points. Now save all of the bonus points you get back from me. Always hold on to it. So if there's any dispute about how many bonus points you earned, you have it. Let's say you earned 10 bonus points. Well, then your homework average is just the sum of these two. You get an 85%. And that's the basic idea of how to use the homework log to figure out your homework score. We want to help you keep organized. And if you see ahead of time that your score is a 75%, then oh, I have until such and such a date to do this many challenge problems and get those bonus points. And also, if you're the kind of person that has a 100 average, let's say you had all 2s, right? That's a 100 average, because the average of all those 2s is 2 times 50 is 100. You could still get 110, right? You could still get over 100 based on those bonus points. You can always go over 100, because homework is really about effort and expanding your horizons. If you're a student who has 100%, I don't want you to stop there. I want you to push yourself and look for more challenges. We always want you to expand. All right, thanks.